Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and had a wonderful Easter break. I had lots of comments in the last 14 days, people asking me to do a Thai dish. Now, to every Thai dish, I personally think a real nice curry is what you need. And there are lots of cookbooks around. I'll be giving you a tip later on of where you can find some really authentic, fantastic Thai food. I'm going to make a red Thai curry this evening. I'll be doing a fish curry, but you can also do it with chicken or just vegetables. It's just up to you. The most important thing on a curry is always the paste. So lots of people will just go out and buy them. You can freeze them, whatever. I always make my own and they are just the best. So I'll always make sort of like a batch so I can do like 3 dinners, and I'll just put them in a sterilized jar and put it in the fridge, and it'll be there good for another 2 to 3 weeks. Or if you prefer, you can put them in little portions and freeze them and take them out in 3 or 4 months time whenever you fancy another curry. So I'll be showing you how to do a red curry paste, and it really is really easy. All you need is about 10 minutes of time just for chopping the onions, the garlic, the lemongrass, and whatever else, a little chilies of course. Oh, work without chilies. So I have actually already chopped everything. It's all in here, my onion, my garlic, my ginger, my chilies, it's all in there. Now I'm going to add some sunflower oil. I would say maybe a tablespoon or so. And then some of my spices. Here we go. Some cumin, and then some coriander. Another teaspoon of that, and half teaspoon of turmeric. There we go. And then 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. It's all in there now. And all I need is now some salt. Okay. Teaspoon of that. There we go. And now I've got it all in here. All I need now is to give it a good old whisk for us. It's getting there, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, so it's still a bit, it's not quite a paste yet, so I think I'll just add a little bit more oil. So you just have to sort of, see how it goes. I mean, the recipes are not always 100% proof, so add a little bit more oil. There we go. I'll give it another whisk. Looking good. There we go. So, yeah, looks really good now. So here I have my red Thai chili paste. Now all you have to do once you start cooking is some sunflower oil or some coconut oil, and don't heat it too strong, just a medium heat, and add a couple of tablespoons of this, and sort of like 5-10 minutes, just let it, well, not fry, but just sort of give it a little sauteing in the pan before you start adding the coconut milk, and then just let it simmer on for a little while more, and then add your fish or chicken or whatever to it, serve with some rice, and you're done. You've got a perfect meal. So my red Thai curry, if anybody wants to have a glass of this, send me a text and I'll make make sure I'll have it sent to you. So all I can say now is have a wonderful week. This week I'll also be preparing some other ideas for you for your herb garden, because it's really now time to start on your herbs. So I'll be looking forward to seeing you soon, and let me know where we should go next week. When we've been now to this week we're in Thailand, we've been to Greece, we've had a little bit of Italy somewhere, just a very quick one. So let me know where I can take you to next week. Have a wonderful week, and please stay at home, be safe, and cook at home. Bye.